Hi, have you or a loved one been involved in an ambulance accident here in Houston, Texas? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent, reckless, or intentional wrongdoing of others on our roadways. If you've been injured in an ambulance accident, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and pick up your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, download your free ebook today, and give me a call at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. I look forward to discussing your case and helping you receive the care and compensation that you deserve.